Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about the anchor tag. So anchor tag is one of the most important tag in HTML, which is basically used to navigate from one web page to another web page. So let's learn about the anchor tag in detail. The HTML anchor tag defines a hyperlink that links one page to another page. It can create hyperlink to other web page as well as files, location or any URL. The attribute that is being used with anchor tag is href. Href is the most important attribute of HTML anchor tag, which links to destination page or URL. So we will be seeing about how to link to the destination page or how to link to destination URL. So what's the syntax of HTML anchor tag? So this is the syntax of HTML anchor tag. So this is the element A, which stands for anchor tag, which is being getting closed here. This is the content of anchor tag, which will be displayed on the browser, and this is the attribute, which is in the form of key value pair. So this is the key href, and value you will be providing according to your requirement. So this can be your link to any other web page or the file of the HTML type, name of the HTML file, so that you want to redirect from current page to another page. So let's understand this with the help of code. So this is our HTML file. So let's give the anchor tag anchor tag. So see, this is the necessary attribute href which you need to provide. So let's say I provide content here, click here. So I need to provide here the value which will be navigated when I click on this click here link. So let's say I want to provide the Google link here. So let's say Google, copy this link, Control C. Now I provide this link in href tag. Let's save this, run this in browser. So see, the click here is being printed here. Once I click on this click here, it is redirecting me to the Google page. So here what is happening, when I click on click here, the page is also being opened in the same tab as it is being for the original page. So what I want to do here, when I click on this click here link, I want to open the Google page on the another tab. So how we can provide this? So let's see in the code. So we can make this available with the help of target attribute. So target attribute is the attribute which is being used with href attribute in anchor tag. So if you don't provide any content to the target attribute, so it will be behaving as currently only, means it will be redirecting to the next page in the same tab only. So if you want to open the targeted page on another tab, you need to provide value as underscore blank. So let's save this. Let's check in the browser now, refresh the browser. So if I click on click here now, see, it is redirecting me to the next tab. So that is the use of target attribute. So this is one of the use of href or anchor tag. So let's say if I want to navigate from one HTML page to another HTML page, so how I can provide this? So let's say if I have one more HTML file, let's consider demo.html. So in this demo.html, I have h1 heading and the paragraph. So this is the name of file, demo.html. So what I can do, let's introduce first anchor tag. So in href, I will provide the address of this file. So currently both these files are in the same directory, so I can just provide the name of the file. If you have the file in another directory, you can just copy the address of that particular file and paste in the href attribute. So html, so let's say content is click here to navigate on demo page. So I will save this. Refresh the browser. So see, both the href content is being displayed on the same line. So we can say that anchor tag is also inline element because it is not getting started from the next page. So if I click here to navigate on demo page, so demo content is being displayed here. See, we have one heading, my heading, and the paragraph. So currently what we have done, we have not added the target attribute for this anchor tag, so it is being displayed in the same tab. If we use the target attribute, it will redirect us to the new tab. So let's add that. Save this. Refresh the browser. So see, it is being opened in the another tab. So that's the use of anchor tag. So we have learned many things in this video. So to summarize this video, we have learned about the anchor tag, we have learned about the href attribute, and also about the target attribute. So the target attribute can only use with href attribute in anchor tag. If we will not use target attribute, then link will open in same page. Also, if you don't provide any value to the target attribute, it will be open in the same page. So that's it for this video. We will be covering another topics in next video. Thank you.